second to take a breath, to keep me guessing with what he said. You're in my head. We're under pressure,